Along with DMT's family of diamond steels, we also offer our ceramic steel. It is made of an unbreakable ceramic and actually gives you a finer finish than our diamond steels do. This is about a 2200 grit. It still offers you the same large guard for your personal safety and protection, a D-ring for hanging, and the easiest way to use our ceramic steel is to place it on a towel, hold it vertically, and use very light, gentle stroking on each alternate side of the blade at about a 20-degree angle, and it will not only realign your edge, but hone and polish it as well. DMT's ceramic steel.